I now take you to Mumbai. A shocking hit-and-run case, again involving the driver of a luxury vehicle. This time, a 45-year-old Kaveri Nakhwa lost her life. Her husband Pradeep seriously injured because a speeding BMW driver hit their two-wheeler in Mumbai's Worli and then ran off. The car was being driven, we are told, allegedly by Mihir Shah, a 24-year-old young man, but that's not about it. It's taken political overtones and how. He's the son of a senior leader of the Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena, Rajesh Saha. Now, Rajesh Saha has been arrested by the Mumbai police. The reason is he's the registered owner of this BMW vehicle. But also arrested is the driver Raj Rishi, who was present in the vehicle during the crash. And now, as the investigation is on, CCTV images surface. Because outside a Juhu bar, where Mihir and his friends were seen leaving in a Mercedes vehicle around 1:40 a.m., hours before the deadly crash. Mihir has been also allegedly accused of culpable homicide not amounting to murder as a charge and rash and negligent driving, endangering human life. 6 police teams have been formed meanwhile to track Mihir Shah. He's on the run, he's absconding because if he was driving, it will be the main case against him. And he's not, this time remember, underage driver like in the Pune case.
में ये हिट एंड रन बहुत बढ़ रहा है, बहुत घटना हुई है। आज भी सुबह जो घटना हुई वो बहुत गंभीर है और इसमें शिंदे गुट के एक नेता के घर की गाड़ी है और जिस तरह से इन्होंने हिट एंड रन किया है, मुझे लगता है कि हिट एंड रन के अगेंस्ट महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने कुछ पॉलिसी लाने की आवश्यकता है, जो सरकार ला नहीं रही। पूना में जो घटना हुई वो भी ऐसे ही था। सरकार, पुलिस और जो व्यवस्था यहाँ की है वो कोई एक्शन नहीं लेती।
एकनाथ शिंदे के लोग ऐसे फरार हो जाएंगे, एक दिन एकनाथ शिंदे भी फरार हो जाएगा। एक गुंडों की टोली सरकार चला रही है महाराष्ट्र में और एकनाथ शिंदे क्या है पूरे देश को मालूम है, हमको भी मालूम है। अगर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, पुलिस व्यवस्था, कानून उस राज्य में है तो मिहिर शाह को पकड़ लीजिए। उसका नाम शाह है, भूलो मत। शाह ये भाग जाने वाले लोग हैं क्राइम करके।
So let's get a live update on this. Vidya is joining me in Mumbai. Vidya, because the focus will be on Mihir Shah, what is being done to ensure that he's detained and he's questioned about what exactly happened that evening?
The Mumbai police is certainly trying to create pressure and also show an image as to why Rajesh Shah, Mihir Shah probably was not arrested, the person who was driving the car. But then, because there is a political angle to the story, the fact that Rajesh Shah belongs to a political party which is of the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde camp. He's a deputy leader in the Palghar district for the Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena faction. And probably that's the reason why he's been placed under arrest and will be produced in court. But at this juncture, the Mumbai police is very sure that they need to track down Mihir Shah, who was driving the car, who fled the spot after hitting the two-wheeler that the couple was riding. And immediately after, running away from there, he left it, abandoned it in the Bandra area. The car was abandoned and then he fled from there taking a hired vehicle. So certainly they are trying their best to track down Mihir Shah, the main culprit in this entire incident.
Right, Vidya, keep tracking the latest on this because in many ways after the Pune case and the outrage and uproar over it, Mumbai police has immediately rushed and ensured at least the registered owner of the vehicle has been taken into custody. Listen in now to the restaurant owner about who came to the restaurant, what exactly happened and could that give a lead if the driver was intoxicated.
11:08 को ये 4 लोगों का ग्रुप आया था। वो लोग बैठे थे, वो लोग ने खाना खाया, ड्रिंक किया एंड 11:14 को बिल पेमेंट खत्म कर दिया था। 11:26 को देवर आउट ऑफ द प्रीमाइसेस। ठीक है, जो लड़का मिहिर बोला जा रहा है उसने ड्रिंक भी नहीं किया है। ठीक है, वो डिटेल्स सीसीटीवी में पुलिस भी चेक कर रही है, उनके पास सारी डिटेल्स है और हमारे यहाँ से कोई इसका लेना देना नहीं।
So similar to Pune, in Mumbai, another hit-and-run case involving a luxury vehicle driver. The difference here, one, is that the individual in question is not underage, unlike in Pune, and importantly, a bigger political overtone has come here. the registered owner, the father of this driver, allegedly. His name is Rajesh Shah. He's from the Eknath Shinde faction, and that's why it's become a political showdown as well. But the big focus is, where is Mihir Shah presently? Here's a report.
The main accused, Mihir Shah, who is currently absconding, is believed to be the son of deputy leader of Palghar district's Maharashtra Shiv Sena unit of the Eknath Shinde camp. Also, it is evident the way in which the sticker has been destroyed in order to avoid any kind of a problem. This very car was being driven by Mihir Shah at the time, and their driver, Rishi Raviraj Bidawat, who both of them abandoned the car at Kalanagar in Bandra East, and they took separate autos and left.
His father, Rajesh Shah, who owns the BMW, has been arrested along with his driver. Mihir's girlfriend is also being questioned on charges of giving him refuge. India Today has learnt that the BMW's insurance had also expired.
राजश्री बिड़ावत, उसको हमने तपास के लिए, आगे के इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए ताबे में लिया हुआ है, और उसके साथ ही राजेश शाह, इस तरीके से दो व्यक्ति को इस गुने के इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बारे में उनसे पूछताछ जारी है.
Chief Minister Eknath Shinde assured an impartial investigation, adding that the guilty will not be spared.
मैंने पुलिस के साथ बात की है, मेरी बातचीत हुई है. इसमें कोई भी हो, उसको एक नजरिए से देखा जाएगा, किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा. कानूनी कार्रवाई जो है वो सख्त की जाएगी नियम के अनुसार.
Opposition Uddhav Sena and Congress attacked the Shinde Sena government.
बघा, हे शाह कोण आहेत आता आपण सगळ्यांनी माहिती घ्या, पण आमच्या इथे कोळीवाड्यातल्या एका व्यक्तीवर त्यांनी गाडी चालवलेली आहे. आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे बघा, कोणी कुठच्याही पक्षाचं असलं तरी मी तरी आता ते राजकीय करणार नाही, लगेच राजकीय रंग यायला मी देणार नाही. या भारताचा नागरिक म्हणून माझी ही मागणी राहील की कडक शिक्षा झालीच पाहिजे, आणि जो गाडी चालवत होता त्याच्यावर शिक्षा झाली पाहिजे. सगळे एव्हिडन्स आहेत, त्याच्यावर कारवाई झालीच पाहिजे.
India Today has also accessed CCTV images of Mihir and 4 of his friends leaving a Juhu bar at 1:40 a.m. in a Mercedes, hours before the tragedy. Cops are probing if Mihir was driving drunk and then snuffed out alive. With Dev Kotak from Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.